This tutorial covers how to download individual images from the Texas A&M University-Commerce SmugMug page. Please note, this is going to be about how to download single images, not entire galleries. That will be covered in a separate tutorial. The easiest way to access our SmugMug page is by typing tamuc.edu/photos. This takes you directly to our SmugMug page. To find a photo, you can try the search field here. This works best, for example, if you are looking for a particular headshot. Chances are, though, the easiest way to find your photo is to look under Recent Galleries. Once you click Recent Galleries, it usually takes a moment for the page to load. When complete, select a gallery. Here we'll use Spring Graduation as an example. Once in the gallery, select the photo you would like to download using the thumbnails on the left. Please note, if there are several photos in the gallery, you may have to scroll through a few pages using the drop-down menu below or these arrows to the left and right of the thumbnails. In our example, there are 4 pages of photos. To demonstrate, I'll select the second of 4 pages. After selecting the photo you want to download, click the download icon on the bottom right of the photo. Please note there is a second larger download icon above the photo, but that is to download the entire gallery. We will cover how to do that in a separate tutorial. Also, please be aware, this Buy Photos button is there for you to purchase prints or other products through SmugMug, but you do not need to buy anything to simply download our photos. We provide our digital images free of charge to the Texas A&M University-Commerce community. After clicking the small download icon, your selected image will immediately begin downloading. Each browser sends downloads to a different location on your computer. In our example, we are using Chrome. By default, Chrome downloads your images to your Downloads directory and conveniently shows recent downloads in this bar at the bottom of your browser. To access your photo, click the file here to take you to your Downloads directory. We are using a Mac, so it automatically brings up Finder. On a PC, though, your images will be brought up in Windows Explorer. That concludes this tutorial. We hope this helps. Please contact Marcom at tamuc.edu if you have additional questions.